Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term tension. Introduction. The term tension emerged as a significant descriptive and evaluative word in literary criticism during the 1930s and beyond. Particularly after the new critic Alan Tate proposed it as a key term to be derived from the logical concepts of intension and extension. The technical logic intension refers to the abstract attributes that a word must possess to be literally applicable, while extension refers to the class of concrete objects to which the word applies. Tate argued that in good poetry, the tension is created by the full interplay of both abstract and concrete elements, resulting in a harmonious and integral whole. Alan Tate's concept of tension. Tate's notion of tension suggests that the best poetry incorporates both general ideas and specific images, creating a balance between the universal and the particular. It highlights the importance of organizing various extensions and intentions into a coherent structure, thus enriching the depth and complexity of the poem. In this video, we will explore the concept of tension in poetry and its various interpretations by different critics. Tension as equilibrium of serious and ironic. One common interpretation of tension in poetry is the equilibrium of the serious and the ironic. Critics argue that a good poem achieves a delicate balance between seriousness and irony, enabling it to convey profound insights while maintaining a touch of wit or humor. The presence of tension in such poems enhances their emotional impact and intellectual engagement, making them more captivating for readers. Tension as resolution of stresses. Moreover, tension is seen by some as the pattern of resolved stresses within a poem. A well-crafted poem features a series of opposing elements such as themes, tones, or images which are resolved through skillful language and poetic devices. This resolution of tensions leads to a sense of harmony and coherence in the poem, providing a satisfying and memorable reading experience. Tension as stability in opposition. In the context of the new criticism, tension was often understood as a mode of stability in opposition within poetry. New critics believed that a successful poem presents a delicate balance of opposing tendencies, allowing readers to engage in a dynamic and interactive interpretation of the work. This tension between various elements within the poem creates complexity and depth, inviting readers to explore multiple layers of meaning. Broad interpretation of tension. Some critics have questioned the logical derivation of the term tension proposed by Tate. Instead, they use the term more broadly, applying it to any poem in which the elements seem tightly interrelated. In this sense, tension refers to the close and intricate connection between different elements within the poem, regardless of whether they represent abstract or concrete concepts. Conclusion. In conclusion, tension in poetry is a complex and multifaceted concept that has been interpreted in various ways by different critics. It encompasses the interplay between abstract and concrete elements, the balance of seriousness and irony, the resolution of opposing stresses, and the intricate connection between different poetic elements. Regardless of the specific interpretation, tension is recognized as a vital aspect of good poetry, enriching the reader's experience and allowing for deeper exploration of meaning. So this was the discussion on the term tension. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.